All right, so we got the two sections up there, so we're gonna put the guardrail up here as a safety deal. So it's kind of nice because this is the one that has a trap door in there. So it's nice you can climb straight through. And then we need this to fix that seam all the way across. And then we're gonna do another video on a patent pending scaffolding stabilizer that we came up with. So we're gonna put the edges up here and Mark's gonna work on those patches, and we'll come back and show you how this thing works with the scaffolding stabilizers.
You can grab that tape off of there.